Well, it's 12:06. It's been an hour and what, 20 minutes? Staying about the same for the last 20 minutes or so. It's 35 degrees in the fridge and 13 degrees in the freezer department, and it's still running full speed, max speed. Kind of doing a test on it before I go camping. So it's been running since 10:30 this morning. Right now it's 10 to 3. And as you can see, the temperature is 38 degrees. And it's set at 36. You see it says it's 19 on the bottom one. And it set at 9. So 4.5 hours later, it still hasn't got down that far, like it should have been. Well, I don't know, I'm gonna leave it go rest of the day and see what happens. See if it gets any better. It's 80 degrees in my garage, so it shouldn't. And the lid is shut. I mean, it ain't out in the sun, so it should be okay. You got air on both sides, so I don't know if I got something that ain't running right or what. I'll give it a day or so and I'll contact them. It ain't going down like it should. It goes down and it comes right back up again. Just a video of a Vector 62 quart fridge and freezer I just bought.